Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to set up your Motorola Moto G67. After a factory reset, click Start. First, select the language. Then, you can set up using another device, but I don't have one, so I'll skip that. Now, connect to Wi-Fi by selecting your network, entering the password, and connecting. Wait for it to connect and get ready. Here we have privacy and security settings. You can review options like help improve Motorola products, device support, optimize battery use and smart updates, disabling what you don't want, then accept and continue. This may take a few seconds. Now, select if you're setting up the phone for yourself or a child, so choose for myself. Sign into Google by entering your email, clicking Next, then entering your password. Click Agree. It's getting account information. Then, you can set up a SIM card, but I don't have one, so I'll skip. Set a PIN for your phone, or you can skip that too. You can set up fingerprint, but I'll skip for now. You can copy apps and data, transferring your apps, photos, contacts, and more, which will install after setup. You can also set from a backup, but I'll do that later. Accept. For Google services, you can turn on backup or not. Choose your browser and search engine. I'll use Chrome and Google. You can continue setup to fully configure with Google services, or leave now and get a reminder. I'll leave for now. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.